Hi everyone, new topic, specific heat, latent heat, sensible heat. All these three terms are confusing. Let us go through the definition. Specific heat, it is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of unit mass of any substance by 1 degree. It means consider a unit mass of water at 25 degrees Celsius. I want to change the temperature 26 degrees Celsius. For that purpose, the amount of heat required, that is called specific heat. Latent heat, it is the amount of heat required to change phase. That is solid to liquid, liquid to vapor. For phase change, the amount of heat required, that is called latent heat. Sensible heat, it is the amount of heat required to change temperature. It means 20 degrees Celsius water converted into 40 degrees Celsius. The amount of heat required 20 to 30, 20 to 50. So change in temperature, that is within the phase we are going to change temperature. The amount of heat required, that is called sensible heat. Let us discuss about these terms in graph. Consider the graph. Temperature in the y-axis and heat is in the x-axis. I am going to add heat. I took here starting temperature -3 simply for reference. Then the heat, I am going to add heat. I can see temperature change. At 0 degrees Celsius, ice, that is solid, converted into 0 degrees Celsius water. I am going to add heat, but I cannot see any temperature change. I can see only phase change. This is called latent heat. Again I am going to add heat, but I can see the temperature change. Temperature is increasing. After that again I am going to add heat. I cannot see any temperature change. 100 degrees Celsius water converted into 100 degrees Celsius vapor. So here I can see only a phase change. Then again I am going to add heat. I can see temperature change. So solid to liquid, it is called fusion, or you can call melting. The latent heat is called latent heat of fusion. Then here liquid to vapor, the process is called vaporization. The latent heat, the amount of heat I am going to add, this latent heat is called latent heat of vaporization. So reverse process, let us discuss about the reverse operation. I am going to remove heat. Then vapor to liquid, the process is called condensation. This latent heat is called, the removing heat is called latent heat of condensation. Here liquid to solid, the process is called freezing. The removing heat is called latent heat of freezing. Let us discuss about this scale. Simply I mentioned -3 to 0. I am going to increase the temperature, and this is called sensible heat. Then here 0 to 0 degrees Celsius ice converted into 0 degrees Celsius water. This heat is called latent heat. Then again it is increasing. For example, what is specific heat means, if I want to change the temperature 20 to 21 degrees Celsius, the amount of heat required, that is called specific heat. So this is sensible heat. Then again 100 degrees Celsius water converted into 100 degrees Celsius vapor. This is also latent. This is latent heat. Then again it is increasing. So simply I mentioned here liquid to vapor, latent heat of vaporization. Solid to liquid, latent heat of fusion. Vapor to liquid, latent heat of condensation. And liquid to solid, latent heat of freezing. Thank you.